Yo, Cryptoption is paying 1.5% per day, 7 days per week, and everything is going well. But it's time for us to dive a little bit deeper into the platform. Well, last night I had the opportunity to interview the CMO of Cryptoption, Mr. Asif Rayan. I believe I'm saying that right. And we got some answers to some questions that I had for them about the platform. I think you're going to find them pretty interesting. Now, I have to say there was a little bit of a language barrier there, so I want you guys to be aware of that. But we did get those questions answered. So I'm going to give you that information. But before I do that, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, make sure that you're in the game plan to 100 grand group because that's where you could have gotten an invite to actually be on the call with the CMO last night so you can listen into that conversation live. So all you got to do to get in the group is to go down into the description of this video and click on the link. And once you click on that link, it'll take you to the group. And once you're in there, I will see you on the inside. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this interview while it's in progress. All right, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm absolutely excited about this meeting that we have today. We have a special guest that's on with us today, and you are in the right place at the right time to get the information that you need about this incredible program, Cryptoption. It has been wonderful for me so far. I've been able to communicate with the CEO and being able now to communicate with the CMO. It has been phenomenal what we have established here. And so I want to do this Q&A to get you the information that you need today so that everybody can understand more about this program. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring the CMO on in just a second. But what I want to do right now is just go over a couple things. First of all, I want to let you guys know that this is not a financial advice session, right? I want to let you know that nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I want you guys to understand that right up front, right? But what we're going to share with you is something that is working for us right now, something that is exciting for us right now, allowing us to earn crypto and allowing us to earn some passive income through this platform. And I'm excited about it right now because it has been phenomenal so far. So what I want to do is go over a little brief. I want to do a little brief introduction of the program, and then I'll bring on the CMO and we'll get things kicked off. Okay. So let me do this just for you all, just in case somebody don't know the basics about the program. I want you to really understand that. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. Here, I want to share my screen really quick, and I want to share this with you guys. So here is the business blueprint for Cryptoption, right? So if this is your first time hearing about Cryptoption, I want to go over just a couple things for you so you can understand what the platform is all about. First of all, guys, this is exciting because of the fact that you get to earn 1.5% daily, 7 days a week. Your ROI is 1.5% daily, 7 days a week, which is absolutely incredible. Man, it's hard to find that anywhere. So I'm glad that we have that. Your package doesn't expire until you 5x your principal. This is exciting as well, guys. So 5xing your money, this is powerful. But the other thing that's really powerful about this is you can get started with a minimum of 100 USDT. That means that you can purchase a package. If you just want to purchase one package at 100 USDT, you could do that, right? Your minimum withdrawal is 50 USDT. And the package cost, as I just was mentioning, is 100 USDT. Now, for those of you all who refer other people over to programs and you like to do that sort of thing, there is a powerful 10% referral commission on every package purchase. Think about that, guys. 10% on every package purchase when you refer someone. There's also level 2 referral program, which means that you get 5% referral commission on every package of anyone on your level 2. What I like about this is only 2 levels. It doesn't over leverage the affiliate compensation plan so that it makes things go crazy, but it's still very lucrative. The other thing is the minimum package purchase is 1. You have to purchase at least 1 package. But here's the other thing, guys. You can purchase as many packages as you would like, and they only accept USDT TRC20. All right. So those are the basics of the program right now. I wanted to go over that really quick for anybody that is not familiar with the program. So I wanted to do that. But now, without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's bring on our special guest. Now, I want to let you guys know this is a Q&A that we've put together, and you guys are getting a chance to sit in on this conversation. So yes, we do have the chat disabled right now so we can focus on the conversation at hand. And I want to let you guys know that I believe we're going to get some incredible information in that, and it's going to make a lot of people even more excited about what we have here, have our hands on here. So I'm going to go ahead and get Asif unmuted there. And I just want to make sure that you all can hear him loud and clear as well. Asif, are you there with us?
Yes, hello everyone.
Awesome, awesome. So glad to have you on today. I'm glad you took some time out. I think you all are in Dubai right now, so I know the time is
Yes,
way off. So I appreciate you actually coming on at this odd time right now.
you are welcome, bro. Thank you.
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So I want to go ahead and kick things off. Like I said, I know it's an odd time for you right now, so I don't want to keep you very long, but I want to go over some very specific questions here. Now, before I do that, if you could just really quick, just explain to the people who you are and your role with the company.
Okay, hello guys. It's I'm here. I'm so glad to see you. My name is Asif Rayan. CMO Cryptoption. We are working here from a long time. We worked offline in past 2 years. Now we are here like 5 months working online here.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. And we're excited to see that you're the CMO and that you're here with us. I'm going to ask you some questions that we want to know about the program that's going to help us determine how we move forward with the program here. How much experience do you have in this space of trading, cryptocurrency, passive income? How much experience do you have in that?
Okay, bro. We are running here our business from past 2 years offline, and almost we are here like 5 months experience in this space.
Okay. All right. Good deal. Good deal. Now, as far as the platform right now, since you're the CMO, what are some of the things that you like about the platform? Some of the highlights that you want to point out about the platform right now?
Okay, bro. Crypto option platform, is simple platform. We generate profit by trading in stock market. Anyone can invest from one package to multiple package they want. Value with one package is, as you say, is 100 USDT. Whether it's a newcomer or is a pro in this field, investing with us is pretty simple. Just sign up with your sponsor link for the simple steps and invest, and our investors will earn 1.5 daily and can withdraw soon as earning reach 50 USDT level. One referral is 10 USDT. Level 2 referral is like 5 beer pack. It's that simple.
Nice. And I did see that the website is very simple. It's very easy to use. Not a lot of complexities on the website. So I like the fact that you guys did keep that very simple for people to use there. Now, let me ask you this also. How many current users are on the platform? I know Cryptoption has been around for a little while. Are you aware of how many users are on the platform right now?
Yes, of course, bro. Including our online and offline business, we are currently having more than 6,500 accounts. While online business, we have just like 3,500 accounts.
Oh, wow. Nice, nice, nice. So total over 6,500 accounts already.
Yes,
Oh
yes, in
man,
total.
business is
Yeah,
growing. It's growing big time, huh?
yes, bro.
All right, awesome, awesome. Now, let me ask you another question here. What are some of the goals that you have for the platform right now? What are some of the goals that you all want to achieve coming up in 2024?
And what I can say that others only pyramid scheme rolling out money. That's why they can survive long. We are here training daily, showing the live traders in our group, in our Telegram channel, and we can show all the people we can successfully generate profit from the past 2 years. Then why to rack Paul? Just like cutting the hen, we're giving golden egg daily.
All right, awesome, awesome. Now, here's another question I have for you, and this is very important for some of the people in our group. We've been involved in a lot of things before, and we've seen a lot of things happen as of late. A lot of programs not turn out to be what they were supposed to be. Some people say scams and rug pulls and things like that. I just want to ask you, what is some of the reasons why you believe that people can have confidence in this company?
Okay, because I think we are not the only company in this space who are posting daily live trades, showing our performance regularly, whether it's the profit or lose. We are posting our trade analysis regularly and giving learning content to visitors weekly who are interested to trading, giving the draw on time, which I think is the main concern for all visitors, I feel. We are not like other pyramid schemes that are giving huge liquidity percentage, not like play safe type, who are giving 3% weekly and can pyramid for years. As you know, few company already did that and they took that for years. I am not here to take name. We have given 1.5 daily based on our performance to generate profit from the market, excluding remaining expenses.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. And I love the fact that, like you said, showing the trades, that's a powerful thing there. And like you said, I think the 1.5% you have shown to be able to pay that daily. And it looks like the profitability is there for it to be sustained for a while. So that's what I like about the company here. Let me ask you this. When can we get on to see those live trades and everything that happened? Is there a daily call or anything like that, or is it in the Telegram group? Where can we see those live trades?
Yes, our trades are recording daily live trades with all explanation and reason behind the trades, and we are posting on our official Telegram channel. I don't think anyone in this space is doing such as transparency.
Absolutely. And for everybody on the call, I'm going to post this Telegram channel for Cryptoption. I'll post that in the group so that you guys can see that as well. So you can see all the interaction
Yes,
and
of
everything
course.
in there about those live daily trades and everything. Let me ask you this. What about safety and security? I know this is a very important thing right here. What are things that you have put in place to make sure that the users' funds are safe, their crypto is safe? They don't have to worry about hacks, security issues, security breaches, all that type of stuff. What stuff do you all have in place for that right now?
About our security, our system is integrated with Cloudflare protection, and our development team is working day and night for the website protection. And moreover, our withdrawal system is not integrated with the website. It's manual stuff, and we all doing all the thing is manual. Withdrawal and for our visitors to do everything manual. So for that we can check and control everything, and that's the it's getting backed up regularly into another server.
Awesome. So I love the fact that you guys have Cloudflare for that DDoS protection. I like that. But the other thing you said is that the actual withdrawal system, the funds are separate from the website. So everything is done manually so that people don't have to worry
Yes,
about
of
their
course.
funds being stolen. Okay. All right. Good deal. I like that. Right. Here's another question. A lot of people like that find this out about a platform is, do you have a corporate office, and where is the platform based out of? If you could just share that with us.
Yes, of course. Our business, runs from our CEO residence in Dubai.
Okay, in Dubai. All right, awesome, awesome. Now, do you guys do any corporate office visits or fly-ins, or are you planning to do any of that type of stuff for the users
So, so,
or leaders?
so, so I can hear you.
Okay. Do you all plan to have let it be able for anyone to visit the corporate office or do fly-ins anytime in the near future?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Good deal. Good deal. So I just wanted to know that. Now here's another thing that has come up in our space here is the legal and regulatory issues, especially like the United States and things like that. Is there
Yes, of course.
anything that you all have put in place to make sure that that's not an issue for the users?
We are working here is all legally. We don't need to avoid legal regulatory issues. We are running this business as per law. We are already running in this office online space from past 2 years, and we came in the space, DeFi space, especially to generate more capital, so that we can do short straddle, which required more capital, and it's non-directional trade, and it's a safety strategy of all.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. That is incredible. So I'm glad that you guys, like you said, operating fully legally. It's in Dubai. That people can feel that they can operate safely and they can participate with the platform safely, without having to worry about regulation or things coming down on them. So this is actually really good here. I'm excited about this, and where this is going right now. Any other things that you want to add about the platform right now, for the people who are listening?
Now for the business, our type of crypto option, especially, you can join us for this business. You can do our work and join this business anywhere in this place. And for our visitors, they get like 45% monthly, so it's a good job.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah, like you said, 45% monthly is incredible here. And a lot of people are really enjoying this. I actually heard about this platform from one of my good friends, and he shared it with me, and he said, well, it's been going great for him. I'm not sure you're familiar with Rashid and Lambo Drew. Are you familiar with them as well?
Yes, of course.
Okay, yeah. So Rashid actually shared this with me and was telling me how great it was, and it has been a great option for him. So I'm excited about this. I'm excited about the future. Let me ask you a question. Are you willing to come back on in a couple weeks or so, and actually come back on and do another Q&A about other questions and things like that with us?
Yes, of course. Anytime I will be on, guys, online in Zoom. Anytime I will be here.
Okay, awesome, awesome,
And
incredible. So I'm glad to hear that. I did want to go ahead and get that Q&A out so people can get familiar with you, so they can get familiar with the company. I wanted to do that. I
okay,
didn't want to keep much of your time here, but because I know, like I said, it's an odd time there in Dubai right now. But I want to thank you once again for coming on with us and
welcome,
sharing
guys.
some about the platform and everything. Okay.
Okay, okay. I will be so glad to see you all.
All right, awesome. So we'll go ahead and let you go for now, and you have an incredible day, and thank you once again. Okay,
Okay, thank you so much.
thank you. So all right, guys, you have it there. We have the meeting with the CMO here, and I'm excited that he was on right now to share a little bit and share his insight on the company. So that's one of the things I wanted to do, as far as I had been involved with this company for just a little while, right? But I like the profits that I've been receiving so far. It has been absolutely incredible. The withdrawals have been coming right on time as they're supposed to. So if you're interested in this program, then get back with the person who invited you. I know there's people from different groups on here right now, but if you have a leader that you actually follow in this space, then get back with them and say, hey, look, are you in crypto options, and see if they want to, if they're in, then you get their link and you can try it out, get started as little as 100 USDT to purchase a package, and then you could go from there. So I'm excited about this, guys. We're going to be doing more on this. You're going to see more about this on YouTube. The replay of this is actually going to be on YouTube as well, so that everybody can see it, everybody can rewatch it, and all that type of stuff. So I want to thank you guys for joining us tonight on this call. I know it was a short call, but we wanted to go ahead and get in and get this done tonight, and get these questions answered. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for being on. We will see you guys on the next video, and we'll have Asif on again very, very soon. You guys have an incredible night, and we are out. Thanks. All right, guys. So that was the conclusion of the interview. Hopefully, you were able to hear some of the answers to some of the questions that I asked. Those were some important questions I think that we needed to find out about the platform, and he gave us some answers. Now, I don't want you guys to think that this is going to be the end of it. We're still going to continue to ask questions, bring Asif back on later to just get more information as the platform progresses. We want to make sure that you have all the information that you need to make the right decisions for yourself. Okay, so that's exactly what we're going to do. But always, guys, you know our motto over here. What we're going to do is we're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, but you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.